Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Java JDK on Windows 10 operating system. So let's get it started. First, if you want to check whether it is already installed on your Windows PC or not, for that just go to the search bar and type cmd here, press enter. Command prompt window will be open. Command for checking that is Java space -version. Press enter. This command responds like this. Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, means Java is not installed on our Windows PC. One other command for checking that is Java C space -version. Press enter. This command also responds the same. Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command, means Java is not installed on our Windows PC. So close this window. Open up any browser. I'm opening Firefox. Search for download Java JDK. You will download it from its official website from oracle.com. Just click on this link. Scroll down. Java 17 available now. This is the latest version at the time of making this video. So I am going to download it. Just scroll down. Before downloading the Java JDK, just check for which operating system you want to download it. For Linux, Mac or Windows. I am going to download it for Windows operating system. So I will select the Windows first. In download, we have to download the bin.exe file, not zip file and MSI file. So click on the bin.exe file. It will start to download. Click on the save file. It is being downloading. Bin.exe file has downloaded now. Open the file. This window asks, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click on the yes button. Next window is Welcome to Installation Wizard for Java SE Development Kit 17. Click on Next button. This window shows the location where Java JDK Kit will be installed. If you want to change the location, then you can change it. Otherwise, click on the Next button. It has been installing now. Java SE Development Kit 17 successfully installed. Click on the Close button. Java JDK has successfully installed on our PC. Now go to the location where Java JDK Kit has installed. Go to C directory. Go to Program Files. Under Program Files, Java folder is there. Open it. JDK 17 is present under the Java folder. Here, bin folder is an important folder. Inside the bin folder, all the Java related files, executable files and DL files are present. So if you want to execute all the Java related files through the command prompt, for that we need to make bin folder as an environment variable. Select the path up to bin folder, copy it, go to search bar and search for system environment variable. Under advanced tab, environment variables is there. In system variables, click path. Click on the edit button. Click on the new button and paste the bin folder path here. Click on OK button. Now, you might also need to use some other Java related tools in development. For that, we need to set Java home as an environment variable. Click on new button. Variable name will be Java _home, all in capital letters. Variable value will be the path up to JDK folder, not up to bin folder. Copy the path and paste it in variable value. Click on OK button. environment variables are set now. Click on OK button. OK. Once again, we will open the command prompt to check the Java installation. Type Java space -version. Press enter. Now this command responds like this: Java version 17, same version which we have installed. Java runtime environment. We have no need to download it separately. It installs automatically with JDK. If you want to check whether you have set Java home variable perfectly or not, for that command is echo space %Java underscore home %. This is the name of Java home environment variable. Press enter. It shows the path where JDK file has installed. So everything is fine now. In the next video, we will learn how to write the first Java program.